All right. Good evening, everybody. This is the first, very quiet. May mga yaya pa dito, quiet. This is the first PVM Periscope broadcast. This is born out of nothing, but good times and good fun and the exploration of new technology. Gusto lang namin talagang ma-experiment, no, kung paano magagamit itong Periscope as an app to further the community of PVM, Pinoy Video Maker, and para to use it as a tool for education. Si Derek, our good friend Derek, dinaan ko lang yan sa bilis at sa gulat dahil nung Sunday, sabi ko, gusto ko mag-Periscope broadcast? At sabi niya, sige sir, okay, at wala na siya magagawa. At essentially, yun ang nangyari. Nagdaan ko siya sa gulat. He didn't know what he was getting into. And I don't know exactly how this goes, but we have some things in store for you. This is the first. Forgive any mistakes or whatever. But yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. PVM, ano ba hashtag? PVM Periscope. So there. I want to welcome you all. PVM, we're so happy. We're just so happy that there's just a solid community supporting us and just helping each other. Kahit alam natin na minsan may bangayan, may mga nag-aaway, may inaaway si Derek. Pero overall, sobrang saya namin sa community. Ako, bira naman. I mean, talagang ang presence sila Derek, nila Jake, who's coming later, they've really made the community grow talaga. If it's not for them, sila talaga ang nag-develop ng sessions, yung mga workshop na maliliit, sa kanila galing yan. Yan. Ayos. Ayun. Okay. We don't have anything like really long planned for this, no? But we have a raffle later. Thank you so much, Jorel, for the Not Geo bag. Yes, sobrang salamat talaga, Jorel. Kahit isang tawag lang, isang text lang, there to help and support PVM. We're gonna raffle this off. It's a beautiful camera bag from a very social Nat Geo. We're gonna find out how to raffle this off later because we really don't know why. Okay, this is just the start. This is a pilot episode and it's gonna be fun. Okay, gusto namin worth your while itong time nyo sa pag-Periscope, sayang ang data charges nyo. So let me start with my tip for tonight, no? With my tip for tonight. Okay, cheers. Sunil of Innovi is also watching. He's going to sponsor the next show, July 30 with Bong Sare. Okay. Here's my thing. Here's my tip for the night, no? Matagal na akong nag-iisip ng mga audio solutions. Dahil para sa akin, sobrang importante ng audio. Minsan mas importante pa siya sa akin para sa video. Dahil ang video, kapag pangit ang pagkuha, pwedeng remedyohan. Pag out of focus, pwede mong gawing black and white, pwede mong lagyan ng clutter, pwede mong lagyan ng vignette at saka old film, papasa na. Pero pag ang audio, pangit ang pagkaka-record, pag ma-echo, kapag mahina, pag masyadong malakas ang hiss, sobrang konti na lang ang paraan para magawan mo siya ng solusyon. So, that's really a problem, no? That's why for me, I hold a very, very high regard for capturing good audio in the venue, in the wedding. Kasi isipin mo, gumagastos tayo ng 50,000, 100,000, 125,000 para sa camera para makakuha tayo ng magandang visuals. Pero magkano lang ba ang ina-allot nating budget for audio? Parang for me, nakakalimutin siya. Of course, ang go-to solution ng maraming tao, yung Sennheiser G2 or G3. Magkano na ba ang G3 ngayon?
28,000.
28,000, okay. Mahal pa rin. Dati talagang parati kong sinasabi, mag-G3 kayo, mag-Sennheiser kayo. Okay? Pero nababaliktad na yung point of view ko. Parang ayoko nang gumamit ng wireless dahil first and foremost, dumadami na yung mga cellular signals sa bansa, no? Sa syudad specifically. If you do audio in very urban places, parang dumadami na yung noise, dumadami na yung mga RF frequencies. At saka ang point of view ko rin naman is, for example, naka-microphone yung groom at maririnig mo na shh, shh, shh. Wala ka na rin magagawa. nandun ka na lang para magpanic, nandun ka na lang para, oh no, anong gagawin ko sa audio? At mababadrip ka lang sa buong shoot mo. And therefore, sabi ko, ayoko na muna mag-wired. Gusto kong mag-experiment na mga solutions, no, na hindi kinakailangan gumamit ng wireless signal. Dati, bumili ako ng murmurahing Olympus recorder at ng mumurahing microphone na, let's say, mga 4,000 pesos lang, yung matchstick. Pero hindi ako masaya dun sa naging quality niya, masyadong manipis yung tunog at hindi maganda yung pick up, no? Kaya, ito ang nakita ko, pinost ko to lately sa Pinoy Video Maker. Okay, there you go. This is a Tascam DR10C. Ito yung huli kong pinurchase. This is just a suggestion for you people who don't want to go wired. Okay? Kasi imagine mo, meron kang G3, 28,000 pesos. Ito, nabili ko ng sa halagang more or less mga 10,000 pesos lang. Bakit ko siya gusto ngayon at bakit ko siya ginagamit parati? Unang-una, napakaliit niya. Kasya siya sa coat pocket ng isang groom or kahit dito sa jeans pocket or trouser pocket ng groom. Sobrang niyang liit. Okay? Second, ay meron siyang in at out. Sa isang interview or AVP situation, pwede ako maglagay ng microphone sa in at sa out, pwede naman naglagay ako ng transmitter papunta sa Tascam or Zoom kung ano man yung ibang recorder na ginagamit. So, I love this because it has a better recording processing circuitry rather than the Olympus. And at the same time, here's what I really love about this besides its small size. It can record 2 tracks of audio. Okay? Yung isa, yung normal recording level, and then the second one is a more lower recording level. Which means na kahit si pastor or si groom sumigaw na, "Do you take Leia, Derek, to be your level?" Okay? Nakiklip na yon, no? Nakiklip na siya dun sa normal recording level. But, because the way it records audio, meron akong isang file. 001B. At yun yung mas mababang recording level. So, meron akong magagamit na mas maganda. And I usually use it with... Ito, ginastusan ko rin ng konti. Ang pangalan nito, Tram Microphones. Galing to, matagal ko nang gustong bumili nito. Unang nagkaroon si kumparing Bob Nicolas nito. But then I bought it. It's roughly around $200 per microphone. Excellent audio. Okay? It's flat, no? It's very different. It's not round like the Sennheisers. Okay? So, if I put this on my groom, and Derek is my bride will also get great pickup when we do the vows. So, that's my tip for tonight, no? Like, really getting great audio with lesser cost. Because, again, Sennheiser, G3, 28,000. I still have that, no? Don't be mistaken. But this is roughly around 10,000 pesos. And this is around 8,000 pesos, no? And that's 18 for really, really, really great pickup of audio and great recording of audio. Okay, that's my tip for tonight. And therefore, I will now send the floor to my good friend Derek, who nagdaan na lang sa gulat, no? Nagdaan na lang sa gulat sa pag-agree to appear in this broadcast. And he has an excellent tip regarding editing. Take it away.
Alright. Ang ganda ng audio, sir. Ha? Bali, magkano aabutin lahat?
Mga 18 to 20. Okay na, 18 to 28. Malinaw. Very small.
Okay, good. Okay. Hi, I'm Derek again, and welcome to the PVM Periscope Episode 1. Alright. What I'm going to share now is what I call the color coding technique. So, punta tayo sa laptop para mas ma-explain ko sa kanila ng maayos.
Ako na bahala dito. Let's see. Okay. I flip and take away the lens cover.
I have here the screenshot of my timeline. So makikita nyo iba't iba ng colors. So explain ko sa inyo mamaya kung bakit ko ginawa ito. Open tayo ng project. Okay. While waiting, play muna tayo ng music.
Yes.
Yan. Pampakalma lang, guys.
Si Derek, we had shots of whiskey just to ease everything.
Alright.
Okay, anong year ang retina mo? Anong retina mo ngayon?
20, ano ba to?
14.
Siguro, mga
Okay.
2014. Alright. So, eto yung normal timeline. Okay ba? Kita ba, guys? Dilaw lang siya. Plain color lang siya. Eto yung timeline ko. So, makikita nyo iba-ibang colors. Kasi, off na natin yung pampakalma. Okay? So, makikita nyo iba't ibang colors. May blue, may red. So, bakit ko ginagawang blue to? For example, yung blue, ginagawa ko siya sa mga footages ng groom. So, punta tayo sa sequence ng groom. Kita ba? Okay, sequence ng groom. And then, eto yung mga footages nila. Yung mga nasa taas, yun yung mga napilian ko na. So, what I'm gonna do is copy it, paste. Kita ba? Oops. Then, gagawin ko siyang color blue.
So may shortcut, no?
May
Sa
shortcut siya.
keyboard shortcut, nagawa na ni Derek ng shortcut kung ano yung kulay ng mga clips na isa-select niya. Actually, sa tagal ko na nag-e-edit, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng color-coded the timeline and it just makes sense. Ano ang nagagawa, Derek, ng isang makulay na timeline?
Unang-una, maaliwala sa mata. At ang importante sa lahat, for example, dito na tayo. Kunyari, for example, ito butas pa. Kunyari, ito butas pa. Ang gusto kong ipasok dito, mga bride shot. So, anong color ko ng bride? Ang usually ginagamit ko sa bride, pink. 'Di ba? So, hanapin ko na lang dito kung asan yung color pink. Ayun. So, kahit magkabaliktad-baliktad tong footages na to, kahit ilang libo yan, alam ko kung saan ko hahanapin yung mga bride shots dahil color pink siya. Okay?
Sobrang galing ng tip na to dahil minsan sa dami ng footage, sa dami ng na-precut na, hindi mo na alam kung saan ka pupunta.
Tama. Okay. So, ayun lang. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And then ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng keyboard shortcuts using these colors. Okay?
This is so brilliant.
Okay.
Promise talaga.
So, punta tayo sa Premiere Pro. Kita ba? Okay. And then, keyboard shortcuts. Alright. And then, let's go to Edit. Edit. Then, find the label. Label. Alright. So, ayun. From there, makikita mo. Yan. Kayo nang bahalang gumawa ng kung anong keyboard shortcuts ang gusto nyo. Pero sa part ko, mas madali kung 0987. Ito yung mga hindi ko ginagamit na keyboard. Okay?
So, pink for the bride for you, blue
Yeah,
for the
blue
groom,
for the groom.
Arial.
Arial. Usually green yung ginagamit ko. Pero ang mas mahalagang footage sa akin yung church entrance. So, ang ginagamit ko doon, color red. Kasi mas bright siya eh.
Kita kagad.
Kita kagad.
Kasi climax.
Tama.
Okay.
So, yun. So, mapapansin nyo dito, red yung entrance ko.
Galing, galing, galing.
Pink for the bride, blue for the groom. So, simple as that.
Derek, I have a question. Anong kulay kapag budwa?
Ano ba dapat yun? Brown. Ito, oh. May brown. Diba?
Galing. Galing. You know what, guys? Mag-comment kayo. This is just such a brilliant tip from Derek. Ha? There!
Alright.
Flesh ang kulay daw, sabi ni Bong. Flashlight. We have some announcements, no? We have some announcements. There are 2 excellent workshops coming up, and we'd like to invite people to this workshop. First, we have sessions number 4. Can you imagine? Mula nung talagang inuman lang, 4 years ago, na akala mo parang totoo ba to? na nauna ang inom kaysa sa workshop. Diba? Oh, Laguna. Now we're doing sessions 4. Derek, tell them about it.
Alright, sessions 4, sa CDO tayo ngayon. It will be on August 25 to 26. Mag-register na kayo kasi meron tayong early bird rate worth 6,000, and then after July 15, worth 7,000 na siya.
Okay. So guys, just grab this opportunity. I have been to each and every one of the sessions at talagang sobrang sulit naman talaga niya. And guys from Cagayan de Oro, we're just waiting for your sign-ups. Nangako kayo na 30.
Tama.
Na 30 galing sa Cagayan de Oro and neighboring cities. Huwag nating masyadong pakabahin ang sign-up, no? Ang sign-up natin para sa sessions 4 dahil believe me, itong mga to, sila Derek, no, hindi naman talaga kumikita yan. Labor of love to, no, para sa PVM community. Now, I'm going to plug my own workshop, no. My own workshop is going to be on July 9 and 10. It's going to be at Blue Leaf. Thank you so much, Blue Leaf, for the opportunity to be an event partner. Our partners include Innovi, the Power Max Center, the Music Bed, and also Lightroom Corporation. We have sponsor giveaways from them. It's going to be July 9 and 10. It's going to be in Blue Leaf. It's going to be my very first workshop lecture in the Philippines. And just email learn@jasonmagbanwa.com for more details and costing and everything you need to know about the workshop. Right? So, that's it. Now, we would like to raffle off this beautiful, beautiful Nat Geo bag. The Nat Geo bag, we have no idea how to raffle this off. Okay. O, magko-comment daw. Magko-comment daw. Ano yung magtatanong ba? Okay. Okay. Now, for people who are listening, no, I'm gonna twist this. The very first person who can reply to this question, and the very first person I can read, no, the reply is this, no, very simple. Derek Yee's tip. Ano ang color ng groom color coding? Go!
Blue.
Alright, and ang nanalo ay si Zenitro. Zenitro, you were the very first. Thank you so much. I guess the only reason why you won is because you have very, very fast internet. Okay, but just the same, you email, you just do a DM or public post and send us your address, and we'll make sure to send it to you. Or better yet, just to save a cost, just pick it up in the office. There.
Makapagpa-picture ka pa.
Okay, now. Alright, okay. We have some guests over here. Next week, July 30, we're gonna have Bong Sare of Trilogy. It's gonna be really, really fun because I heard that he's not going to do the broadcast unless he's really, really stoned, right? And it's gonna be awesome. But we're drunk, just the same. Thank you so much. We have some guests over here. Can you just say hi, please? Just say hi before we sign off. You have Iko, and then Julius, who's also part of the sessions. Okay, we're gonna have dinner later. Hello. Guys, thank you so much. This is just a wonderful opportunity. We will upload this into the Pinoy Videomaker YouTube channel. Okay? Just so you can watch it if you missed this broadcast. So, cheers, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers, 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 cheers.